What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing something new to the Accord or white rice. And if you don't know, I posted a poll on my Instagram and asking if I should delete the SunRoof deflector, which is right here. So I put a poll up asking if I should delete it, and majority rules, it was like 90% of y'all said to delete it or take it off. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be taking off the SunRoof deflector. I'm going to be honest, I'm not 100% sure how to do it. I was looking on YouTube, hopefully for some guidance, but apparently everyone puts SunRoof deflectors on. Nobody takes them off, or at least they don't record it. But it shouldn't be too hard. I was looking at it earlier. There's a few screws and some clips. So hopefully it should be pretty easy. Go. We are now halfway through. Probably, and Jesus Christ, is that dirty? Oh my God, that is filthy. That is nasty. So these are them. These are the 4 brackets that hold, and you have to put the screw into to have your deflector on. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if I need to take this off. I don't really feel that I need to. I feel like this is actually for the actual like sunroof mechanism or whatever. But that is filthy. That is unbelievable. That is that's some good old grit and dirt right there. So I'm gonna have to clean that. Let's see, this looks kind of dirty. It will be in a second, that's for sure. One thing that I do need, I need some kind of soap. I know we got some cleaning products back here, but I don't know exactly. Oh, hello. What are these bad boys back here? Some pretty big brake discs. Well, there it is, guys. I tried cleaning it as much as I can, but obviously that dirt has been there for quite some time because some of it's actually pretty hard to get off. But I guess I'm gonna just have to try again next time I actually wash the entire car, which is very overdue because white rice is pretty dirty. But anyway, that's it. That's what it looks like with the visor off. I don't know. I think it's gonna take a few days for me to get used to it, considering that I've had the visor on for so long. Definitely not used to it. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all think it looks cleaner, if it looks weirder without it. You know, all that type of stuff. Not bad. It actually, well, I mean, now that I have the sunroof back up, it actually looks really clean. I don't really have that many black accents on this car either, so the fact that I took the tinted plastic or dark plastic, whatever you would call that, off, it actually looks not bad. Looks pretty good, man. But yeah, so that's that. I gotta clean that though. That is really dirty. Really dirty. I need to clean that. And then it's about to rain. The clouds moved in, so it's probably gonna rain any second now. So I don't know. Maybe Mother Nature will clean my car for me. But that's not really how that works. So yeah, I'm gonna move the car back. I think it looks alright. I gotta find a place for all that stuff. Well, I know where this goes. Guys, so that will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope y'all also like how white rice looks now. Me personally, I think it looks a lot cleaner. I didn't really think right when we did it that it was gonna look that good, but obviously I didn't have the sunroof back up. But literally the second I put the sunroof back up, I think it looks nice. I think it looks pretty good. I may be keeping it like that. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And with all that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like. Also subscribe, that way you don't miss the next video.